The Huawei Pura X is a groundbreaking foldable smartphone that redefines the traditional flip phone design. Unlike conventional flip phones that fold vertically, the Pura X features a unique side-folding mechanism, resulting in a wider, tablet-like form factor with a 16:10 aspect ratio. When unfolded, it reveals a 6.3-inch LTPO2 OLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate and peak brightness of 2500 nits, offering an immersive viewing experience. The device is powered by Huawei's in-house Kirin 9020 chipset, coupled with up to 16 GB of RAM and storage options ranging from 256 GB to 1 TB, ensuring smooth performance and ample storage capacity. Photography enthusiasts will appreciate its versatile triple-camera setup, including a 50MP main sensor, an 8MP telephoto lens with 3.5x optical zoom, and a 40MP ultra-wide camera. For selfies, it boasts a 10.7MP front camera. The Pura X runs on HarmonyOS 5.0, Huawei's proprietary operating system, which does not support Android apps, marking a significant shift away from Google's ecosystem. Additionally, it introduces Harmony Intelligence, an AI assistant powered by Huawei's Pango model and DeepSeek enhancements. The device is equipped with a 4,720 mAh battery, supporting 66W wired charging, 40W wireless charging, and reverse wireless charging capabilities. Currently, the Pura X is available exclusively in China, with prices starting at approximately €960. Its innovative design and advanced features position it as a formidable competitor in the foldable smartphone market.